it's the vibe. And I know that you feel it tonight.
So the build out of the sauna was super simple. You know, it comes in a huge crate, and Redwood Outdoors, you know, they sent you know, links to like all these videos that really show step by step how to build it. Now, I spent a weekend building it, and my son and I were the ones that actually put it together. He's 10 years old, and he's always helped me with projects around the house, but this was the first time we actually got to do like a real build together. So once we got the first few staves level, you know, and as we start to build up the side, you know, I had one ladder here in the front, one ladder here in the back. We would put one on, you know, I'd kind of tap it over with the mallet that they provide, and, you know, Jack would measure and he'd be like, all right, I need another 1/8 of an inch. So the two of us were able to build this thing in one weekend. So it was a really cool project. It was really easy. When I did run into a little snag when I was installing the chimney, you know, Redwood actually got back to me that on a Sunday. They personally called me and kind of walked me through what I was doing wrong. It was just a real simple thing, but sometimes there can be stuff lost in translation when you're watching YouTube videos. So their customer service was great. The build was easy. It was a fun project for my son and I. And now, you know, I'm in this thing 2 or 3 times a week. It's been life-changing for me, and I cannot recommend it enough. You're not gonna find a more aesthetically beautiful or functional sauna out there than what you can get from Redwood Outdoors.